78, what happened? Lakshmi was secretary of Bhagwan ashram, and she was very hard taskmaster. She was a good administrator, very good administrator. I will talk about Lakshmi sometime. She is my ideal disciple. मेरे मन में जो शिष्यत्व की जो प्रकाष्ठा है वो लक्ष्मी, माँ योग लक्ष्मी में मैंने देखा. अद्भुत महिला थी, अद्भुत पावरफुल महिला. But she has to manage so many things that she has to become hard. Otherwise she could not manage the ashram. And ashram was building, so she wanted everything under discipline. People wanted to meet Osho. Everybody wanted to meet Osho. Osho ने अपने को withdraw करना शुरू कर लिया था. It was very difficult to meet Osho. You have to wait for appointment, and if you have one darshan, you will not get next darshan for 3 months. That was a rule. आपने एक बार ओशो से दर्शन ले लिया तो 3 महीने के बाद ही मिल सकता है. So that all rules were was made because everybody wanted to have darshan. And in evening, Bhagwan used to talk 10 to 20 people every evening, and hundreds of people, thousands of people wanted to go and have darshan. It was not possible, so they had to wait. People used to become angry because they thought that Lakshmi is not allowing them. She was secretary, तो सारा ब्लेम लक्ष्मी के सर पर चला जाता था. ये लक्ष्मी नहीं मिलने देती है भगवान से, भगवान तो बहुत करुणावान है. Lakshmi is a hard task master. She asked us to work for 6 hours. So people were angry against Lakshmi because she was a administrator and she has to sometimes make a very hard decisions. Many people were angry, but she was doing best possible in that situation. One day what happened, one Western disciple, when Lakshmi was coming from Lao Tse house, a very innocent disciple, a very simple person. I don't remember, he was from Austria or Germany or Switzerland, from that region. Lakshmi was coming from Lao Tse house, and the disciple was very simple, very gentle person. All of a sudden he grabbed Lakshmi और लक्ष्मी को उसने पीटना शुरू किया और उसने दांत काटना शुरू किया. Everybody was surprised. The guard came and Lakshmi was saved. But everybody was surprised how a simple person and very humble person, how he became so angry and so aggressive. That he started biting and माँ योग लक्ष्मी. उसके बाद से माँ योग लक्ष्मी को भगवान ने कहा you always travel with a bodyguard लेके चलना शुरू किया. Bhagwan talked about this in lecture. He said that guy was expelled from the ashram. लोगों ने समझा कि he has done a crime, so he was expelled from the ashram. After next day, Bhagwan talked in the lecture. He said that the guy is innocent. वो लगता है तुम लोगों को कि उसने गलती की. The only mistake of his was he was very weakling. He was a very weak person, very simple person, but does not have his own personality. He was very weakling, and his own meditation was not mature. So he became victim of negativity. Lot of people were against Lakshmi because Lakshmi was not allowing them food pass, not giving them money, and people were against. So lot of people were against Lakshmi, and they were talking against. ये आपको लेक्चर में सुनाऊंगा कभी ये भगवान का. ये आपको किताब में ही मिल जाएगा किसी को. So they all become against Lakshmi, and that innocent guy become victim of their thoughts. So Bhagwan said that allow him to come to the ashram. He should not be expelled from the ashram because he is innocent. और भगवान ने कहा कि इसका पाप जो है ये तुम लोगों को लगेगा जिन लोग लक्ष्मी के अगेंस्ट में बोलते थे. तो एग्जिस्टेंशियली भगवान said that you all will be punished existentially, क्योंकि there is a perfect law and order in existence. All your thoughts is got recorded. जो भी तुम सोचते हो करते ही नहीं, all not even your deed, but your even thought are got recorded in some akashic record. So जो भी तुम सोचते हो उसका फल कभी न कभी मिलेगा. तो इसका जो सजा मिलेगी, भगवान ने कहा उन लोगों को मिलेगी जो लक्ष्मी के विरुद्ध में सोचते थे. वो इनोसेंट आदमी है, उसका कोई दोष नहीं है, उसको बुला लो आश्रम में. So this I am telling you that idea get materialized, and especially meditators' idea get materialized. If you have a wonderful idea that we should have a ashram in Canada somewhere, nothing can be a better idea than this. इससे अच्छी कोई बात हो ही नहीं सकती है कि after half an hour your thought will become diluted, then it will lose the power. No? But for half an hour or 15 minutes, take care. You rest, relax, or have positive thought or have no thought, just relax. Because you don't need the power of thought. Thought can move the mountains. विचार से पहाड़ घूम जाते हैं.